Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is the pumping cycle. Beta, the heart is the main pumping organ in our body. It is the main component of circulatory system. Blood from the body enters the right atrium through a large blood vessels called vena cava, and blood from the lung enters the left atrium through the pulmonary vein. Both the atria contract together, pushing the blood into ventricles, and from left ventricle, blood is pumped to the body through aorta, and from the right ventricle, blood is pumped to the lungs with the help of pulmonary artery. Both ventricles contract at the same time. Every contraction of atria and ventricle is called a heartbeat. There is really a double heartbeat since the atria contract just before the ventricles, and this is important for the proper flow of blood in the right direction. Okay, beta, look at this diagram. This is the internal structure of heart. Heart has four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. And in this diagram, all the four chambers of the heart are relaxed and blood flows into the heart. Blood flows into the right atrium with the help of a blood vessels called vena cava. Vena cava is a vein, and it brings deoxygenated blood from the upper and lower part of the body to the right atrium. And blood from the lungs enters the left atrium with the help of pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein is the only vein in our body that contains oxygenated blood. And in the next diagram, we can see that both the atria contracts at the same time, and when the atria contracts, fall open so that blood can easily go to the respective ventricle. And in this diagram, you can see that now the atria are relaxed and valves are all closed. Now the ventricles contract, and when ventricles contract, right ventricle pushes the blood to the lungs with the help of pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is the only artery in our body that contains deoxygenated blood. And left ventricle pump the blood to the body with the help of a large artery called aorta. This is how the heart pumps blood to the body. Beta, our heart beats about 70 times in a minute when we are in a resting position, and when we are doing some physical activity or when we get excited, then our heartbeat increases, and it may be 100 times in a minute or more than 100 times in a minute. Some athletes have a heartbeat having more than 200 beats per minute. We can measure the heartbeats by taking our pulse. There is a surge of blood produced in the arteries every time the ventricles contract, and we can feel a pulse with our fingertips at our wrist, where an artery passes between a bone and the surface of the skin. Our next topic is heart diseases. Heart is a muscular organ. It is a part of circulatory system, and it gets its supply of blood with the help of coronary arteries and coronary veins. Coronary arteries are very narrow, and when a fatty substance called cholesterols stick inside them, they become even more narrower, and due to this, the blood supply to the heart slows down. Meaning that when we are doing some exercise, oxygen cannot get to the heart muscles fast enough, as a result of which a cramp-like pain spreads across the chest. This type of pain is called angina pain. Due to the deposition of cholesterols inside the coronary arteries, the inside of the coronary arteries get rough, as a result of which when the blood flows through these rough coronary arteries, the blood clots, and blood clots can even block the artery completely. This blockage is called thrombosis. A heart attack is a thrombosis in the coronary artery. We can also say it a coronary thrombosis. and due to the coronary thrombosis, the blood supply to the heart cut off, and heart attack occurs, due to which a person may die. An adult has we have a information. The length of the blood vessels in an adult human being is 100,000 kilometer, and it takes for 30 seconds for the blood to go once around the body. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. Name the blood vessel through which blood enters the heart. The answer will start from this line. Blood from the body enters the right atrium through a large blood vessel called the vena cava. Question number 2. The heart is the part of living body. How does it get its blood supply? The answer is through coronary artery and coronary vein. Question number 3. Describe the pumping cycle of the heart. The answer is on page number 144, and it will start from this line up to this line, including all these 3 diagrams. Question number 4. If you listen carefully to someone's heartbeat through a stethoscope, you can hear a double beat. That is a faint one followed by a louder one. Suggest a reason for this. The answer is there is a double beat since the atria contracts just before ventricle. That's why we hear a double beat, a faint one followed by a louder one. Thank you.